this is me, Tyler, and my brother Baxter, and I also got my buddies Washbuckler and Blazo from Scanlanders. We're gonna do a video on some Octonaut stuff. Max has one, and then we got the giant one of X. Max has a Peso one.
Hi Max, do you like the Octonauts? Yeah? Octonauts are so fun. Can you show us what you have in your hand there, buddy? Show the camera. Can you show us what you have, Max? You like the Octonauts? We're gonna open them up and show everybody.
Yeah. So first we're gonna open this one. I'm really excited about this one. How the heck are we gonna get this thing out?
You like the Octonauts, Cindy? You like your shirt better? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Mommy, so we got it all set up. This is what the figure, this is the sea, this is the animals. Comes with one spider crab, one snot sea snail, and what's this?
A horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crab.
A horseshoe crab.
What do you have, Max?
So this is the cup. So this is how you open it. I don't know where the button is for. Oh, there it is. So this is the cup.
Max.
This is cool, guys. Watch this. And this is how you launch it. And this is how you close it. This can open. And here's Captain Barbie. And it comes with these little discs that you put in right here. Daddy-da, looking at this one.
Octoski for this mission.
Take that, Captain Barnacles. Yeah.
Don't hit your brother in the face. Ah!
Octonauts, let's do this. Hurry, use the rescue line to rescue the creature.
Okay. Put that on. And you put it on high. Put it on this thing.
Max! Maxton! Hi. You making fart noises?
Ow. You need like a like the wall or something to stick it.
Yeah, you can have that here. You like Captain Barnacles? Is he
So
fun?
guys, watch this. You can put this on the animal, the creature, and then you put these little things under there. Yeah,
Cool.
I'm on the swing. I'm sliding. Ah!
Not such a good rescue. Yeah, you want the little crabbies and the little thingy? Seahorse crab and spider crab, Max. Oh, down there. Oh. Maybe lick it. No, lick it. Lick it. Okay, can you show them how it comes apart?
What?
How the Gup X comes apart? Nice. So there's two parts to it?
Hey, I just broke the thing.
I'm supposed to do that.
It's time to slime.
It's time to slime.
What else does it say? How many other words does it say?
Pooped.
Right on target. Ready the save the horseshoe crab.
What's the water tank?
The water tank. I don't know.
Oh, it's that piece.
Yeah. So you actually, right, show the inside. Let's get a picture. So here's what it looks like. And you can press this button. And that's what shoots, right?
Yeah.
Does that taste good? These are all the things you can do with the Gup X, and then it shows what it comes with. What do you think? You guys recommend this toy?
Yeah.
This is probably the best one that they've made, huh?
Guys, there's something that you can do with the Skylanders. You see these little holes on the back of my Skylanders? You just like snap them into the line. They fit. Now we open the other pack. It comes with a Peso figure and a little magnet bag and a little net thing and an ice and a Narwhal. And he comes with this little thing that you put on him and a starfish. The ice can open up.
It looks like the Narwhal might glow in the dark. You think so or no?
Maybe.
Maybe not. Is it a squirter? What do you think, Max? Yeah?
And you can put the Narwhal inside the ice. Hey, stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Help me, help me, help me. Ah! Oh. This was $9.99. The other one was $40. Oh, I broke it in my head.
What do you have, Maxton? Oh, on the ground. Uh-oh. Okay. So ages 3 and up, right, guys?
Ages 3 and up. Thanks for watching.